What if the only thing standing between where your business is today and where you want to be is having the right strategy and the right community? Hi, I'm Ebony Sharonda, and as an entrepreneur, business strategist, and founder of Ebony Sharonda Co., I have had the privilege of helping aspiring and established entrepreneurs transform their great ideas into sustainable businesses. That's why I'm so excited to be partnering with CommunityWorks to bring you from surviving to thriving, a 10-week virtual business development experience beginning on August the 19th. Maybe you have had an incredible business idea, but you just don't know where to start. Or maybe you've already launched your business, but you feel like you're running on a hamster wheel and have not even seen the growth that you had envisioned. If that sounds like you, this program was created with you in mind. Over the course of 10 weeks, we'll strengthen your mindset, sharpen your business strategy, tackle real world challenges, and help you build practical systems to move you from working in your business to actually being intentional about leading and growing it. You'll leave each session with actionable steps you can immediately apply and a roadmap you can continue using long after the program ends. Most importantly, you won't be doing it alone. You'll join a community of entrepreneurs who are committed to learning, growing, supporting one another, and creating lasting impact in our communities. If you're ready to move from surviving to thriving, I invite you to join us on August the 19th for the next 10 weeks where we will be growing together and sharpening our business mindset. Your next level isn't waiting someday, it's waiting on your decision today. I'll see you in the classroom.